In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background in Microsoft Planner in just a few easy steps. Let's dive right in and make your planner a bit more personal and visually appealing. First things first, you're going to want to open your favorite web browser. Once you've got that up and ready, go ahead and search for Microsoft Planner. You should be directed to their official website, where we'll start this exciting journey. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll see the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on that. If you're already logged into your Microsoft 365 account, the system might seamlessly sign you in, bypassing the need to manually enter your credentials. However, if you're not logged in yet, now's the time to enter your email address and password associated with your Microsoft account. It's always good practice to keep your login information handy for moments like these. After you're signed in, take a look at the left side panel where you'll spot My Plans. This section is essentially the hub for all your active plans. Select the specific plan that you're interested in customizing. This will take you to the details and settings associated with that particular plan. Look towards the top of your page and find the down arrow next to the name of your chosen plan. Click on this drop-down menu and you'll see an option for Plan Details. Clicking here will open up a variety of settings and options for customizing your plan. Now, within the plan details, you'll notice a section labeled Suggested Backgrounds. This is where the fun really begins. Microsoft Planner offers a series of curated background images that you can choose from, aiming to enhance the visual aspect of your planning experience. Browse through these suggested backgrounds until you find one that appeals to your taste. They range from neutral tones to vibrant images, providing a variety of styles to best fit your needs and aesthetic preferences. Once you've settled on a design, click on the image to apply it as the background for your plan. This change is applied instantly. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully updated the background of your Microsoft Planner, creating a more personalized and engaging tool to help you manage tasks and projects. Changing the background not only makes navigating through your plans more enjoyable, but can also inspire creativity and productivity. Thanks for following along with today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on making the most out of Microsoft Planner and other Microsoft 365 tools. Have a wonderful day, and happy planning!